I joyed when to the house of God. Go up, they said to me. Jerusalem, within thy gates, how it shall standing be. Jerusalem, a city is compactly built and strong, where to the tribes go up, the tribes that to the Lord belong. An ordinance for Israel, to thank the Lord alone. For thrones of judgment there are set in David's royal throne. O pray ye that Jerusalem may have abundant peace. For every one that loveth thee shall prosper and increase. I therefore wish that peace may still within thy walls remain, and ever may thy palaces prosperity retain. For brethren and companions' sake, let me now wish thee peace. And for the house of God, the Lord, my care shall never cease.